Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This is going to cover 3B, solving by taking the square root. Here we're going to do number 7 and number 9. Not sure what happened to 8. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Well, it looks like we can let's just write it first. Okay, so looks like we can just square root this. Okay, whoa. So this cancels, leaving us with an n plus 2 is equal to the square root of -4. So here, we have to stop. Well, here's the problem. In this unit, you can't square root a negative number, okay? You can't do this in this unit. So we're going to stop here, all right? But I'm going to show you what the next unit is. So technically, this actually can be broken down into an I radical 4. So you're pulling out a radical -1. Then you can subtract 2, leaving you with n is equal to -2 plus, sorry, forgot the plus and minus. Plus and minus I radical 4. Oh, that radical 4 can be broken down into 2. Yeah. So that's how it would look like. Okay. Should look like 2I. All right. But again, for the sake of this, that's what the real answer is. But for the sake of the unit, you can leave it like this. You can't take the square root of a negative number because there's no real solution here. There are no real solutions here. That would be the answer for this unit. Okay, let's do 9 here. Subtract 1 to both sides, leaving you with a 7 parentheses v plus 1 squared is equal to 28. We want to now divide by 7 to both sides, leaving you with a v plus 1 squared is equal to 4. Okay, square root both sides, leaving you with a v plus 1 is equal to, well, you know what the square root of 4 is, right? It breaks down to just the number 2. So it's plus and minus 2. We subtract 1. So your answer is v is equal to -1 plus and minus 2. So you can actually do that. V is equal to -1 plus 2. That should be 1. And v is equal to -1 minus -2. That should be -3. So that's technically your two solutions. V equals to 1 and v equals to -3. All right. And that's it. That is 7 and 9. Not sure what happened to 8. Oh, get it? 7, 8, 9.